Everyone, Namaste. I'm Sapukia Rizal and I'm representing my country with great honor. I'm so delighted to participate in this program conducted by More Than United Nations. Thank you. Good afternoon and hola to you all. My name is Ashley Smith, proudly representing my country, Mexico, in this estimate Model United Nations conference with a deep commitment to diplomacy and collaboration. I warmly anticipate the opportunity to engage in this constructive dialogue with each of you. Together, let us begin on a journey of a meaningful discussion and solid action to address the pressing global issues in world. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Afia. I am from Bangladesh. Bangladesh is a country South Asia located on the Bay of Bengal, bordered by the India on all sides. As a big for a small border with Burma, Bangladesh has a flat face and most of the country is situated on the bridges of large rivers flowing from the Himalayas to Sudan.
Thank you.
Thank you everyone and ni hao to everyone. I am Dingyan and here to represent the climate change in China. Thank you.
Thank you.
Me, myself, Jackinda Arden here to present you all about the effect of climate change in New Zealand. I hope this reach a good conclusion in today's meeting and cooperate with each other. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Good afternoon everyone. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Amza Khan. I am from Pakistan. I am here to share something about climate change. Thank you.
Annyeonghaseyo everyone who are present at the moment. I am Kim Soo from South Korea. We are all here for the discussion of climate change in our countries. I am here to represent my country South Korea. South Korea is one of the most developed country in the world. Almost 90% of the Koreans are educated. And Kamsahamnida to the Motherland English Boarding School who invited us for Model United Nations on climate change. Thank you.
Kamsahamnida.
Good afternoon everyone. Konnichiwa to all who are present at the moment. My name is Agira. I am from Japan. We are all here for our climate change in our country. I feel so happy. Thank you.
Konnichiwa.
Mexico, officially the United Mexican States, is a country in the southern portion of North America. Mexico is one of the chief economic and political forces in Latin America. But today, climate change is transforming Mexico's geography, environment, and future. Climate change has become the biggest long-term threat to Mexico City's future, and that's because it is linked to water, health, air pollution, traffic disruption from floods and landslides, which means we can't begin to address any of the city's real problems without facing the climate issue. In fact, climate change may lead to a 40 to 70% decline in Mexico's current cropland suitability by 2030. Worse, this could soar to an 80 to 10% decline by the end of the century. We are talking about Mexico potentially losing over half its workable farms in less than 12 years, and all of them by 2100. These impacts include continuous increase in the sea surface, temperature of the Gulf of Mexico continent.
India, like many other countries, significantly impacted by
Sea level increase in coastal areas in Iceland basins, intensification of hurricanes, changes in water cycles, not decrease in water runoff.
What are the effects that getting from the climate change in the country?
Thank you, Mr. Ganesh, sir. As we know, Brazil is located at South America. It is one of the biggest countries in the world. In the today's world, climate change has been increased by many percentage in Brazil. Climate change in Brazil has significant and one-phase impacts, including Amazon rainforest, increased deforestation, and more frequent and soft droughts threaten biodiversity and contribute to global carbon emission. Extreme weather, rising temperatures lead to more intense heat waves, storms, and unpredictable rainfall patterns, floods and droughts. Agriculture shifts in climate affect crop production, threatening food security and livelihoods, particularly in regions dependent on rain-fed agriculture. Water resources also precipitation patterns and reduce river flows, strained water supply, impacting drinking water availability and hydroelectric power generation. Coastal areas rising sea levels and coastal erosion.
Thank you, sir. At first, climate change is a long-term shift in the temperature and weather pattern. Nepal is one of the most vulnerable countries to climate change due to its unique geography and socio-economy. Nepal is ranked as the fourth in terms of vulnerability to climate change. Nepal is facing various problems of climate change. They are rising temperature. Due to temperature rise globally, now the great mountains are melting day by day in a rapid manner, which is very much dangerous as well as critical condition. The rise in temperature is also causing biodiversity loss. The changed environment is not suitable for varieties of habitat animals. Unexpected and off-season heavy rainfalls, storms are causing various issues like as the less developed in the seasonal goods, landslide and increased floods are also there, which is very harmful for us, people of Nepal. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Nepal, for raising the serious issue that the mountains are melting.